Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, and of course we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this is come to you courtesy Qora digital cash. Feel free to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, learn the strategies, and of course I'll practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend meal trading indicator to analyze the market right from here. Okay, so this started the downtrend from here, but it came to an end at this support zone, and of course it started a buy trend from here, and it has been buying since then, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's going back on downtrend right now, so it is selling at the moment. So once it breaks out below this particular support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, we should take note of that, but if it does not, it will go back up and try out this resistance zone, but for now it is selling. Okay, next asset will be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course this had been on a very strong uptrend, just where we have seen it, and of course it got to this resistance and was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend from there. So this will be selling more, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, it will be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000, still on 5-minute time frame. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend for a very long time, right from this resistance zone. It has been crashing down, got to this support zone, had a little pullback, but went back down again because it was unable to go above this resistance zone, so it crashed down, and of course it is at the support zone again. If it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time. Okay, if it's unable to break out from that support zone, it will pick up a buy trend right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is crash 500, and this had been on uptrend right from here, got to the resistance zone, sold for a while and played around here, and of course it went back on buy trend but was unable to go above this resistance zone, and of course it started selling right from there. So this is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. The next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right from here. Okay, so guys, this is volatility 75, and just where we have seen it. Okay, it was on downtrend before, but got to this support zone and went back on buy trend, and of course it's got to this resistance zone and sold for a very long time. So it has picked an a buy order right from here, so it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, and of course apply them carefully on your real account whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.